And that's it. Battery is done. So I absolutely detest weed whacking. So much so that I don't do it as often as I should. And because of that, gas-powered string trimmers that I've owned in the past, the gas sits in the tank for too long, the carburetor gets gummed up, and I got a big mess on my hands. And so, you know, trying to keep up with the string trimming around the house, I thought, I'm gonna try one of these battery-powered string trimmers and see how it does for me. So I went on Amazon, bought the Skil PWRCore 40 for 150 bucks or so. And this is my review of how I like that string trimmer. I'm gonna give it a shot around my lagoon, which is pretty overgrown, but we'll see how well it cuts. This is supposedly the hardcore model that keeps up with gas trimmers, but we'll see how it does, and we'll see how long the battery lasts. I'll start my stopwatch on my phone and see how long it goes and give a report. Here we go. And that's it. Battery is done. So we did almost 15 minutes. You know, I was generally happy with how it cut. It knocked down quite a bit of pretty tall, nasty stuff. Pretty thick stem stuff. You can see the damage that I did going through here. Made it quite a ways around the lagoon. But the last couple of minutes of using it, I could certainly tell the power was fading. Was not cutting like it was for the first 13 or so minutes, but generally not too bad. So about 15 minutes of hardcore, heavy-duty brush beatdown with the battery-powered trimmer. Let's see how it does on tasks just using it around the yard. So there was nothing I could throw at it around the yard, trying to just knock things down or edge my driveway or sidewalks. Nothing was out of the range of this machine. It did just fine. And with the lighter duty trimming that I was doing around the yard, it lasted about a half an hour. So about twice as much time as when I was going through the hard brush with it around my lagoon. So once it's drained down to nothing, it takes about a full hour to charge it back up to full power. I've also used other battery operated trimmers before, and the weight was crazy heavy, and this one actually wasn't bad. I'm not going to tell you that it was super fun to use, but it wasn't too horribly bad. So kind of recap, I think this has a use in the light duty market and could be used in the professional market with a number of batteries. So to just sum up my thoughts on this string trimmer, do I love it? Heck no, I don't love it. It's a string trimmer. I don't love string trimming. But did it do the job that I was wanting it to do decently? Yeah, it did. And did I have to mix gas and deal with gas left in a tank and gummed up carburetors and all that stuff? No, I didn't. So is it perfect? No, there's issues like battery life and charging time, all that stuff. But for light duty homeowner use, I think this is a decent string trimmer option for you.